frame's a little dusty, a little dirty. I still need to rinse it off. It's a good idea to rinse these frames off with water before you even touch it with the microfiber. Just get any dust off of it, and then, you know, blow dry it, microfiber dry it. Should be good. Also, I let it sit for a couple days too. This guy's getting the bars redone. Botched job on the chrome. So didn't even dip it in chrome. So the homies over at BP Chrome's gonna get me right. A little dusty too. The homie Eddie's bike from Santa Ana Mini Bikes. Santa Ana. Woody's 22 Taco. Whole lot of heat.